So you can see right over here, it says you saved $53.53 for having just pushed in a couple of buttons to go ahead and have those coupons applied. So today I'm gonna show you how to install and utilize the Honey coupon extension on browsers. So what we're actually gonna do is hop onto the computer so I can show you in real time how to go through this. So you can get something just like this, where you can see right over here, I recently redeemed $10 into my PayPal account because I used the Honey app. Now, there's a lot of stuff you can redeem when it comes to using this app. And what we're gonna actually do is kind of go step by step here. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is, of course, sign up with a referral code. I will actually have this link right over here. You're gonna see where it says joinhoney.com/referral. That, of course, is my referral link, which means it does help support out the channel. You get free content just like this, but you also get a nice sign up bonus. It's going to take you to a page that looks very similar to this. Whether you are on Firefox or Chrome, this will do the same exact thing. So what you'll do is you'll click on right here where it says add Honey. It's completely free. You'll put in an email and a few pieces of information to get started. And once you do, we're going to go ahead and show you exactly how it looks like on the back end, which right over here, the main thing you're going to see when it comes to actually utilizing Honey is the actual app itself is kind of on the back end of things. Right over here, what you're going to see on screen currently is actually going to the Honey website itself. So if you go to the browse feature, you can see if we scroll all the way down here, you're going to see all these offers that you can check out from different companies like Verizon, from Michaels, Macy's, even Apple and Microsoft do have these things as well. So if you click on shop, it'll take you to their websites. But what's really cool about Honey is it pretty much works on the back end as well too. So let's go ahead and show you an example of what Honey can actually do. So we're on Kohl's website currently right over here. And when you're on Kohl's website, you can see on the right-hand side, the Honey logo actually once you have it installed. And once you go in here, it gives you a lot of information, such as coupon success rate, average savings, and then if you scroll down, you'll see all the coupons available. But here's the really cool part. You don't even have to worry about any of this stuff. You can just do your regular shopping once this is installed, because once you get to the cart, it'll actually go through the process of going ahead and plugging things in for you. So let's go ahead and kind of give you an example of what this will look like. So I'm gonna add a few things to the cart, and we're gonna hop over to that next screen. All right, so I went ahead and added some cookware over here onto the cart from Kohl's, and you can see on the right-hand side right over here, it says 5 coupons have been found. We'll test and apply these coupons in seconds. So you can go ahead and just click on apply coupons. And what this is gonna do, you can see here in real time, it's gonna actually try every single coupon first and foremost, and whichever one ended up being the best is going to be the one that Honey actually applies for you, so you don't miss out on any type of savings. So you can see right over here, it says you saved $53.53 for having just pushed in a couple of buttons to go ahead and have those coupons applied without having to scour all over the internet for different coupon codes. So that little effort right there went ahead and saved you a ton of extra money. Now, as I mentioned before, I will have a link to Honey in the show notes down below for you, so you can go ahead and click that link because it does help support out the channel, but it gets you that extra starting bonus, which if you want to save some more money, check out my next video right over here to keep on learning. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.